Would you like to learn how to take fresh, crisp apples and turn them into sweet apple juice? Welcome to part 89 of Back to Basics Canning, where we're sharing with you how to water bath can apple juice. To extract the fresh juice from apples, you need one of two things: a cold press juicer or a steam canner. We'll be using a steam canner, which is a series of 3 pots that steams apples and releases the juice out of a small tube. A perforated pot on the top of the steamer holds the whole apple pieces, while the bottom pot will hold the water that you'll bring to a simmer. As the water heats up and steam fills the reservoir, the apples will begin to soften and release their juice. The juice will begin to collect in the middle reservoir, and there is a small tube with a clamp on it that you can use to release the juice. Just be careful, as this juice is really hot. We like to place a stool next to the stove to hold a jar or two so that we can decant the juice into the jars. As the apples steam and compress, you'll be able to continue to add more apples to the top and continue to release more juice out of the middle reservoir. You could stop right here and enjoy your fresh apple juice. But if you'd like to make it shelf stable, you can go ahead and can it. If you're going to can your juice, bring it to a boil before placing it into sterilized jars. Sterilization of jars is required because the processing time for both pints and quarts is only 5 minutes. Wipe off the rims of your jars before placing on a new lid and a ring finger tight. If you have an overproducing apple tree, this is a great method to use up some of those apples. And this is one of the few recipes that you can actually can in half-gallon jars if you choose to do so. Half-gallon jars require 10 minutes of processing time, while, as mentioned before, both quarts and pints require only 5 minutes. After your processing time has elapsed, turn off the heat and allow the hot jars to sit in the canner for 5 minutes before removing them. Happy canning!